Canada, Silver Star. Elmo lost a rock off and is about to do something incredibly stupid. Hit it, big boy. Pour the nachos.
You got the key? You got the key?
Yeah.
Man, give me the key. I'll get this shit out.
Eureka. Look at that crack.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's hitting that powder down there.
I don't laugh at solid A. You jump into the top of the ice pack.
Yeah, boy.
Go. Oh.
Lock the door, lock the door. You. That is in a lot of pain right now.
Like, I don't think he's alive.
I think he slipped over and fucking broke his back.
Can he get in the bottom door?
I feel sorry for him, man.
Oh,
There
there
is.
he is.
Open the door. He's fucking panicking,
Oh, Jesus Christ.
How was that, mate?
I ran up to the wrong floor.
Yeah. How was it?
Not good. I ran up to the wrong floor. I had to run back down.